Hey everyone, so I just wanted to give a quick open box review of the Cycplus tire inflator. I bought this because I cycle outdoors sometimes, and sometimes I'll get a flat tire and I have a little hand pump that I can inflate my tires with. However, that is a pain to do, and I was looking for something that's kind of easy and kind of light, and I ran into this thing across on Amazon. So this is the A2 tire inflator Cycplus. So it is available to, it can actually inflate car tires as well, up to 150 PSI it says. It does come with a little instruction booklet here. And on the device itself, you can see a couple options here. There's a unit button and then a plus and minus for the number of PSIs you want to do. And then there's a power button as well. So pretty easy. One end you can see where this little device screws in. And then the other side is your USB ports so you can charge it. It comes with a variety of things. Obviously the charger itself, the instruction booklet. It comes with a bike holder. So it has like a little 3M tape that you can put on the back of this to protect your bike frame, the paint. And then it has the 2 screws and the device to lock those down. It has a ball inflator as well, so that's kind of nice. And then this is really why I bought it for my road bike. This is the Presta valve. So hopefully you can inflate the tires pretty quickly. To make this thing work, I was reading the instructions here just a minute ago. So you just screw this thing in, and then you attach this to the tire itself, the valve. And then for the road bikes, you just screw this one in right here. And then you just turn it on. And then you can select your units if you want to change the units. This is kilograms per centimeters. It has PSI, bar, and then KPA. So in America, usually we just do PSI, and then you can increase and decrease the number of PSIs you'd like to do. So it's supposed to go all the way up to 150. I'm not sure if it'll actually do that much. However, once this thing's charged up, I can connect it to my car and just kind of test it out and see how well it is. So it's a great option. I mean, so like I have a hybrid car, and so I'm not able to actually, it doesn't have a spare tire. So this would really be a great option if you have like those car like that, doesn't have a spare tire. So it says just to connect this to your valve and then hold down the power button, and that will inflate the tire for you. So let's give it a shot. So this is my bike tire. You can obviously see that it's very flat. So it's a tubeless setup. So the device does have like this little area where you can store this device. So that's kind of really nice, especially if you're on your bike. So once again, just screw this on and then screw this into your valve here. I do have this little adapter to make things a little easier. Hit the power button, hold down the power button, and then it's set to PSI, so I'm going to increase it. I'm going to set my tires to just 85 just for this demonstration, and then just attach this, and then you hit the power button and it automatically inflates to what your desired PSI is. And here we go. hold down the button, the power button, and it turns it off. And you can see that it is definitely inflated.